Welcome to our channel where innovation meets anonymity. In today's video, we will explore how to create a faceless YouTube channel using the power of AI tools. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Step 1. Choose a channel theme. Selecting the right theme is crucial as it sets a foundation for your content. Consider your passions, interests, and expertise. Whether it's gaming, cooking, education, or vlogging, find a niche that resonates with your audience. Step 2. Create a channel name. Think of a unique and memorable name that represents your channel's theme. Brainstorm ideas, use online tools, and ensure the name aligns with your content. This will help you build a distinct brand identity. Step 3. Design a logo or channel art. Since the focus is on maintaining anonymity, create a logo or channel art that visually represents your brand without revealing your face. Utilize graphic design tools to craft eye-catching visuals that reflect your channel's theme and captivate your viewers. Step 4. Generate a synthetic voice. To add a unique touch to your faceless channel, employ AI text-to-speech tools to generate a synthetic voice for narration or commentary. Experiment with different voices to find one that suits your content's tone and style, creating a cohesive and engaging experience for your audience. Step 5. Create video content. Now comes the exciting part. Producing high-quality videos. Utilizing video editing software to combine footage, images, and graphics into visually appealing content. Remember to maintain a well-scripted structure to convey your message effectively and keep your viewers hooked. Step 6. Add captions and subtitles. Make your videos accessible to a wider audience by adding captions or subtitles. This not only assists viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, but also caters to those who prefer to watch videos without sound. AI-powered captioning tools or services can help you achieve accurate and inclusive captions. Step 7. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Boost your channel's visibility by optimizing your video titles and descriptions. Research relevant keywords related to your content and incorporate them strategically. This will increase the chances of your videos appearing in search results and attracting more viewers. Step 8. Engaging with your audience. Building a community is crucial for the success of your faceless channel. Interact with your viewers through comments, messages, and social media. Encourage feedback, answer questions, and consider viewer suggestions. This engagement fosters loyalty and a sense of connection with your audience. Step 9. Promote your channel. Spread the word about your faceless channel through social media platforms and online communities. Share your videos on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Reddit, and engage with relevant forums. Collaborate with other content creators to promote each other's channels, widening your reach. Thank you for joining us on this tech-filled adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.